Hey everyone, friends! Today in Korea, I'm going to show you how to install APK files on your PC and laptop. First of all, you need to make sure that virtualization is enabled. To check if virtualization is enabled, right-click on the Start button. Okay, here we've got Task Manager. Open it up. Then we see Performance, right? Here we've got virtualization. If it's turned off, you'll need to enable it through the BIOS. It depends on your BIOS and TPM settings. Next, open your browser, search for LD Player, download it. Click Download LD Player, open the installer. Alright. Go through the prompts and choose your installation path. I want it on my E drive. Okay, click Yes. Click Install. Once installed, the launcher will automatically start. It's like an emulator. Okay, after the emulator starts, to install an APK file, just drag and drop it from your desktop into the player. Alright, that starts the installation process. Alternatively, press the APK button, choose the APK file from your computer, and install it. And that's it. Thanks for watching.